Today I'm going to teach you how to tell time in Arabic and how to ask about time. This is Learn Arabic Levantine dialect. Thank you for joining. Ahla wa sahla. In this video, you're going to learn how to give the time and common words that we use when speaking about time, like in the morning or in the afternoon. Keep watching. الساعة الساعة hour. الدقيقة الدقيقة minute. الثانية الثانية second. What time is it? قديش الساعة؟ قديش الساعة؟ In standard Arabic we say كم الساعة؟ كم الساعة? This is also used but less commonly in spoken Arabic. Stay tuned for more questions about the time later in the video. It's 1 o'clock. الساعة واحدة. الساعة واحدة. It's 2 o'clock. الساعة تنتين. الساعة تنتين. It's 3 o'clock. الساعة تلات. الساعة تلات. It's 4 o'clock. الساعة أربعة. الساعة أربعة. It's 5 o'clock. الساعة خمسة. الساعة خمسة. It's 6 o'clock. الساعة ستة. الساعة ستة. It's 7 o'clock. الساعة سبعة. الساعة سبعة. It's 8 o'clock. الساعة تمانية. الساعة تمانية. It's 9 o'clock. الساعة تسعة. الساعة تسعة. It's 10 o'clock. الساعة عشرة. الساعة عشرة. It's 11 o'clock. الساعة 11. الساعة 11. It's 12 o'clock. الساعة 12. الساعة 12. It's 5 past 6 or 6:05. الساعة 6:05. الساعة 6:05, which means it's 6 and 5. It's 10 past 6. الساعة 6:10. الساعة 6:10, which means it's 6 and 10. It's quarter past 6. الساعة 6:15. الساعة 6:15, which means it's 6 and a quarter. It's 20 past 6. الساعة 6:15. الساعة 6:15, which means it's 6 and a third. It's 25 past 6. الساعة 6:30 إلا 5. الساعة 6:30 إلا 5, which means it's 6:30 minus 5. It's half past 6. الساعة 6:30. الساعة 6:30, which means it's 6:30. It's 25 to 7. الساعة 6:30 و5. الساعة 6:30 و5, which means it's 6:30 and 5. Do the math. It's 20 to 7. الساعة 7:15. الساعة 7:15, which means it's 3rd to 7. It's quarter to 7. الساعة 7:15. الساعة 7:15, which means it's 7 minus a quarter. It's 10 to 7. الساعة 7:10. الساعة 7:10, which means it's 7 minus 10. It's 5 to 7. الساعة 7:05. الساعة 7:05. And this one obviously means it's 7 minus 5. Now let's look at some common words that we use when we talk about time. كلمات شائعة نستعملها لما نحكي عن الوقت. الفجر الفجر at the early hours of the morning. For example, 4 o'clock in the morning, الساعة 4 الفجر. الساعة 4 الفجر. الصبح in the morning. الصبح. For example, 8 o'clock in the morning, الساعة 8 الصبح. الساعة 8 الصبح. الظهر الظهر at noon. For example, 12 o'clock p.m. الساعة 12 الظهر. الساعة 12 الظهر. العصر العصر in the afternoon. المساء المساء in the evening. بالليل بالليل at night. Now let's look at some questions that we use to ask about time. What time are you all going? أي ساعة رايحين؟ أي ساعة رايحين؟ What time is the party? أي ساعة الحفلة؟ أي ساعة الحفلة؟ When is the party? إمتى الحفلة؟ إمتى الحفلة؟ When does the store open? إمتى بفتح المحل؟ إمتى بفتح المحل؟ And now it's time for your homework. What time do you wake up every day? أي ساعة بتصحى كل يوم? For the gentlemen. أي ساعة تصحي كل يوم? For the ladies. Start your answer with بصحى and tell me what time do you wake up. Please leave me your answers in the comments below. I'll be waiting for them. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. مع السلامة.